Hi everyone, my name is İdil. I'm a YouTuber in Turkey. I have one of the largest cooking channels here in Turkey. And I thought to myself, why not do recipes in English? So here I am. I prepared my ingredients for the day. Today we'll be making tahini lamb chops with basmati rice. It's very easy to make. In general, you'll find my recipes very easy to follow, very wholesome, and very delicious. You can trust me on this. So, I will write all my ingredients in the description box below, but if you want me to do so, you can leave comments and I can spell them out during the video as well. I have lamb chops. I have 8 of them. When I got it from my butcher, I asked him not to thin them out, so they're nice and thick. We want them like this. And I've got some rice. We're gonna make a spice mixture for the lamb chops, and we're gonna make a very easy tahini sauce. Tahini is a very popular ingredient here in Turkey. It's very wholesome, very good for you. So let's start with making the spice mixture. So for the spice mixture, I've got some coriander here, some coriander, cumin. You can say, half a teaspoon of each. Red pepper flakes. If you don't like anything, you can definitely take it out, leave it out. And some ground garlic. I'm gonna put some pepper in it. And some salt, of course. I give this a good mix. And I massage my lamb chops with this nice, flavorful spice mixture. Turn them around. And do the same here. This is gonna make the lamb chops. Lamb chops in general are very delicious, but this is gonna take them to the next level. I also have some olive oil here, extra virgin olive oil, and I'm gonna pour this over the top of the lamb chops as well. I'm gonna let this sit for a couple minutes, and in the meantime, we'll be cooking the rice. So here, I put about a tablespoon of olive oil in my pan here, and I'm gonna put 1 cup of thoroughly washed basmati rice here in the pan. Always make sure you wash the rice so that you get rid of the extra starch. And with the olive oil, I'm just gonna spend a couple minutes here and make sure that my rice is nice and glossy. I can put a bay leaf in, and as well as the Star Anise inside too, just to make it a little bit more flavorful. And some salt. When cooking rice, the ratio is always 1 cup rice, 1.5 cup water. The water has to be room temperature and the rice has to be thoroughly washed. This is very important. So you see how rice is glossy right now? It means that I can put my water in. So here comes my water, 1.5 cups. Now I want the water to come to a boiling point. When I see it boiling, I'll turn the heat down low and I'm gonna cover it with a lid. You see the water is really boiling right now, and I turn the heat to the lowest. We always cook rice with the lowest heat, and I put the lid on. It will be ready in 10 minutes. In the meanwhile, we'll cook the lamb chops. So for the meat, I've taken out my cast iron skillet, which I love using cast iron when cooking meat. And I'm just gonna put my lamb chops on the heated pan. It's very important that your pan is really nicely heated. And I'm just gonna cook them 3 minutes each for each side, and it will be like medium rare. So if you like medium, cook 4 minutes each. If you like raw, you can cook it 2 minutes each side 2 minutes. Smells amazing. And I'm just gonna put this spices with olive oil. I'm just gonna drizzle them on top, just to make sure that I have all the flavors from this wonderful spice mixture that goes very well with meat. I love cooking with lamb chops because they're very soft. It's very difficult to screw them up, very difficult to dry them out. If you follow the cooking minutes, cooking times, you will have very soft, very juicy lamb chops, and I'll show you the insides as well once they're cooked. So 3 minutes on each side, and while we let them rest, we're gonna make the tahini dressing. Time to flip them over. Look how nice it looks. The rice has absorbed the water as well, as you can see here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a tablecloth, cover the lid on, and let that rest for a couple minutes too. And the meat is now done. I'm gonna take it on a board and let it rest for a couple minutes so that all the juices are absorbed and it rests. Always make sure when you grill meat that you leave it to rest for a couple minutes. It looks beautiful. So I've got my rice cooked, I've got my lamb chops cooked. We can make the tahini sauce. Tahini, honey and lemon always goes well together. So I've got about 2 tablespoons of tahini. I put a tablespoon of honey in it and a couple drops of lemon juice. I mix this up. Add a little salt, just to bring out that honey deliciousness. And just a little bit of olive oil again. Just a little bit, to make it more glossy. That's enough. Everything is ready. It's time to put these in a plate and enjoy. Perfect. Our sauce is ready. The rice has been rested. The meat has been rested. So it's time to put everything together. And this is a wonderful, wonderful dinner for two. It looks so good. We Turkish people, we know how to cook rice. All Mediterranean people know how to cook rice. But I think Turkish are a little bit ahead in this. So I give this a stir. And time to plate. Smells so good. Just a hint of bay leaf. And a little bit of the Star Anise. Wow, I love rice. I can eat it every day. I cook with Basmati rice, I cook with whole grain rice, I cook with black rice. I just love it. I have a son who is 4.5 years old and he loves it too. And some lamb chops, beautifully cooked. And a little bit of tahini dressing. Which takes it to the next level actually. It really does take it to the next level. And some parsley. You can put fresh mint, even fresh coriander will go very nicely with this. And let me cut up one piece to show you how beautiful it looks. I'll cut from my board here. Just look at how wonderful it looks. It's a little bit pinkish, it's medium rare as I said it, and it's just so soft. I'll give it a taste. And some sauce on it. Amazing, so soft. Seriously, wonderfully cooked. Please try my recipes. If you like them, please comment down below. This was my first video, so I'm a little bit excited, so excuse me for that. I hope you subscribe to the channel. As I said, I'm looking forward to hearing your comments. Hope to see you in next videos. Bye bye.